Hi, my name is Maisha with Plentiful Hair Studio, and I wanted to make this short video to show you how you can wear a silk top wig behind your hairline. Okay, so I switched out my mannequin for a mannequin that has a little more hair, and I put a stocking cap on her. This particular wig has 4 clips, one on the top, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. You can tuck the top clip underneath your stocking cap or into your bio hair if your bio hair is strong enough to withstand the clip. Some people don't like the clips at all, but the sides and the back, that's just enough to give you a good amount of security. All you need to do then is pull a little bit of hair out in the front and the sides. You know, just a little bit. You don't have to use too much. Of course, my mannequin has very dense hair, so it's not as natural looking, but you don't have to use so much hair. You can pull a little bit out in the top and on the sides. That way, if the wind blows, you won't see anything and you'll still have that voluminous look that you wanted in wearing a wig. Some people don't like the way the silk tops look because normally the silk top look is perfect for silk top toppers. And toppers are great because toppers can sit a little bit behind the hairline and they can actually sit at the hairline. It depends on your comfort level. But this is a great option for somebody who is interested in wearing more hair but a little bit afraid about the hairline. So this is a good option. It'll still give you volume. It'll still give you versatility in your look. Of course, this mannequin here has a color that doesn't match, but of course she is just for demonstration purposes. And even though the mannequin has a not so great of a quality of hair, the wig that I'm putting on her today is a European wig, and it still blends seamlessly. This wig actually has a 4x4 silk top and a wefted back. With the installation of the unit and the silk top, you can still have the ability to have the natural top, the natural parting. You can change the parting at the top if you want, and it still looks very, very natural. So this is an option for anybody who wants to try this type of a look. If you have any more questions, please visit my website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com, and thank you so much for watching my video.